Hello friends, till now we have studied definition of separator set and properties of separator sets. Today we will take some examples on separator sets which are theoretical examples, so you can treat them as theorems also. So example, let XD be metric space and AB are closed subsets of X, then A and B are A minus B and B minus A are separated sets. Solution: since AB are closed in X, therefore A closure is equal to A and B closure is equal to B. Claim 1. A minus B is equal to A intersection B complement and B minus A is equal to B intersection A complement are separated sets. So for this, A minus B intersection B minus A its closure, B minus A closure is equal to A intersection B complement intersection B intersection A complement its closure. But we know that closure of intersection of two sets is contained in closure of their intersections. So this is equal to A union B complement intersection B closure intersection A complement is closure. Right? Here A intersection B complement. Now we know that here B closure is nothing but B. B closure is nothing but B. So if I take this is equal to A intersection B complement intersection B intersection A complement, its closure by distributive law associative. Okay, associativity and 1. Then this is your phi. So this is A intersection phi intersection A complement closure, which is equal to phi. Similarly, A minus B closure intersection B minus A, this must be empty by symmetry. Okay. From 2 and 3, A minus B and B minus A are separated sets. Right? We'll take now next example. Instead of closed subsets, if we take open, then A minus B and B minus A are separated set. So let XD be matrix space and AB are open subsets of X, are open subsets of X, then A minus B and B minus A are separated. Solution: since A and B are open sides, implies A complement and B complement are closed, and therefore A complement its closure is equal to A, B complement closure is equal to B, 1. Okay. What is our aim? A minus B is equal to A intersection B complement and B minus A is equal to B intersection A complement are separated sets. So for this, A minus B intersection B minus A its closure. I can write this as A intersection B complement intersection B intersection A complement its closure, and then this is contained ring. This is contained ring A intersection B complement intersection B closure intersection A complement its closure. But this is your A. This is contained in A intersection A complement intersection B complement intersection B closure by 1 and associativity which is equal to phi intersection B complement intersection B closure. This is equal to phi. Okay. Similarly, B minus A minus B closure intersection A minus B minus A is equal to phi. So this is 2, this is 3. So from 1 to 3, from 1, 2 and 3, A minus B and B minus A are separated sets. Next example. Let XD be matrix space and ABC are subsets of X such that A and B are separated sets and B comma C are separated, then should add B and A union C. A union C are separated sets. Okay. So since AB are separated sets in X, therefore A intersection B closure is equal to B intersection A closure intersection B is equal to phi 1. Then BC are separated, implies B intersection C closure is equal to B closure intersection C is equal to phi. This is 2. Okay. Claim B and A union C are separated sets. So for this, B intersection A union C its closure is equal to B intersection A closure union C closure. Okay. We know that closure of union is equal to union of closures. So this is equal to B intersection A closure union B intersection C closure. So by distributive law, and then B intersection A closure is phi, B intersection C closure is phi. From 1 and 2, this is phi union phi is equal to phi from 1 to. This is your 3. Oh, here just 2 and 3, not 1, 2, 3. And B closure intersection A union C is equal to B closure intersection A union B closure intersection C, which is equal to phi union phi equal to phi from 1 and 2. This is your 4. From 3 and 4, from 3 and 4. Three and 4, B and A union C are separated sets. So with the discussion, we'll stop our lecture here. Thanks for listening lecture carefully. Bye bye.